Welcome back to another school year. As a kindergarten teacher, you have the important role of setting the foundation for your students' academic and social growth. Here are some tips to help you get the school year off to a great start. 1. Establish consistent classroom routines with visual aids for smooth transitions, taking turns, and following directions. 2. Create a warm, welcoming classroom with positive reinforcement, cozy reading areas, and colorful displays to help students feel supported and safe. 3. Get to know your students as individuals by learning their names, interests, and learning styles. Tailor your teaching to meet their individual needs and interests. 4. Use play-based learning activities, like blocks, sensory builds, and dramatic play, to provide hands-on and interactive learning experiences for young children. 5. Teach social skills and emotional strategies through activities like sharing, turn-taking, and conflict resolution in kindergarten, a critical time for development. 6. Communicate with parents through weekly newsletters, classroom blogs, or social media. Encourage their involvement by volunteering or attending parent-teacher conferences. 7. Collaborate with other kindergarten teachers to share ideas and resources. Attend team meetings, plan lessons together, and provide feedback to help each other improve. Set expectations and build relationships with students in the first few weeks of school to ensure success. Establish routines, create a supportive environment, and foster social and emotional development. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to Guru Shiksha for more tips and tricks. Share your ideas and suggestions in the comments section below. Stay tuned with us. Good luck.